Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of Android application series, we are going to be talking about the top and the best Android applications. So let's start our video. So the best Android application we are going to be talking about today is WPS Fill and Sign. This is the best Android application. You can enhance your phone's productivity using this application. It's actually an application about filling your documents in your mobile phone. You can just sign, you can fill your documents using this application. So let's see how it works. First of all, there is the form personal information, so I will have to open this, and now you can see that I can just write anything in this form. Okay, then you can write anything, and okay, so as you can see that I can just fill my form using this application. Okay, so for signature you can see that I can just click on this pen icon from here and I can create my signature using this application. Okay, now I will have to click on this confirm button. Okay, so now as you can see that I have signed this form, and now I can send this form, I can save this form, I can print this form, and I can just extract this form in PDF format. Okay, I will save this document and I can save to WPS, or I can just email it. Okay, so I'll save it to WPS. So it's done. As you can see that I can just fill my documents in this application. I can send all my documents in PDF format and Word format and any other format using this application. So now I will tell you from where you can get this application. So first of all, you'll have to open Play Store, and then from here you'll have to write WPS Fill and Sign. Okay, this is the application. So you'll have to download this application to your mobile phone, and you can just write and you can just fill and sign your documents and send using this application. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.